And here playing with the headphones and shit.
Nigga, you a bitch. His shots come out that fire, bet that tame a nigga. Got enough respect if he get straight, I bet his gang can kill him. Screaming fuck your set, I'm from the West, home on the much danger, nigga. Bro bought out his Glock like fuck that tick, it's time to stain a nigga. Like say goodnight, I took a fine bitch from the hood and put her first class on the flight. And my bro had to talk some more, but he got caught, he serving life. And my granny, she really a gangster, used to punch on shit at price. And the police had locked those dress, so shit his bro gotta pay the price. And I told lil' bro, if you go and take the bitch, nigga soul, I'ma give you something nice. I got a light-skinned bitch with a fat ass booty and fro look like Ice Spice. I had to tell that bitch that's going against my code, can't fuck you twice. Stop at the door and I asked like, why did you bring you a bag? Ain't no spending the night. It ain't no spending the night and shit. You can't fight these 556s, ain't no fight night, bitch. Put in my break, thinking in that pussy, I'm on my like my shit. Let go with the hearts, it ain't no beef, but bitch, you might get hit. Fuck, nigga. No, I can't call it all. Think got an NIL, get too much pay like I play college ball. Serving these bitch 16, ducking all these peas like a young nigga Parker Saul. Them coke cost for her, no sip, no trips, no on drink alcohol. Bitch, wait, why you cranking foes, dummy? You spoke on lil' bro, so shit, we gotta snatch your soul, homie. Them niggas some hoes, homie, do know, run never told on nothing. This one for the